Hello YouTube, here I have another Hosim, I believe X03, something like that. Very basic RC here, lots of plastics, very light, and it's holding up very good. I'll give it a spin here. It's not the first time, I did review this earlier. I have Anthony with me here, which is going to drive this car a little bit later and see that even at 2 years old can actually drive this one. Although this controller doesn't allow you to limit the speed, the car is not too fast, it's brushed, so it is quite slow, but I would like to turn it a little bit down so my kid could play. It's not designed for a 2 years old kid, but you know, he likes to play with RCs and I want to allow him to play as much as he can. So let's just go for a spin here. Myself driving one-handed, not hard to control at all. See, it's very responsive. It's not too fast, it's not crazy powerful. And it's able to do small jumps. So let's hit the curb on the other side. See, almost clear the grass here, similar to the other RC I was just reviewing. The X05. This one really goes and nice jump, see? Even though it's a very slow car, still you can have some nice fun with it. Just gotta be careful while playing in the streets because you may have traffic, but that's okay. Just wait until that car is gone and we are back playing. So the car seems to be fragile, and it is to an extent, but if you're not hitting anything, not crashing too hard, you're not gonna break it. Just gonna have a good time. And you see that can cruise through the grass. I'm gonna get here in the grass. It's kind of tall grass, and still it manages to go through. Oh, it is really tall grass, you can see here. And still it manages to go. This is full throttle, but it's so tough, the grass, that is not able to go really far. So yeah, so we'll check and see. All right, so continue with this. I'm gonna give the car to my son Anthony. He's 2 years old, and let's see if he's gonna be able to drive. Be careful, Anthony, be careful. Go. Keep on going. Let's go. Let's see what you can do. Turn. Pretty good. Continue. Keep on going. Keep on going. You're doing well. See, he's 2 years old and he... Ah! No! Crashed. Go figure it out. What happened, Anthony? You crashed the wall. Alright, so let's put this here. Go. Turn. Turn this way now. Alright, it's coming back. Oh, the other way. Keep accelerating. Let me bring it back to you. So I'm going to get him out of trouble here. So the whole idea of these RCs is really to introduce, you know, friends, kids, and whoever wants to play and get them into the hobby. Hold this, Anthony. Let me get the car into the right orientation. Go ahead, go. So I'm teaching my son here how to drive. He's 2 years old. These very cheap RCs are a great way to start because they are cheap. They're cheap to fix. They're kind of durable. They're not very fast. And it's a good way. So Anthony is trying to, you know, drive these RCs for a long time now. Even though he's 2 years old, he has always been interested in RCs. And as you can see, he's kind of learning. It's impressive how fast these kids learn how to drive these RCs. I have grown-up friends that can't do it still today. So let me get this a little bit farther from that location, Anthony, because we don't want to be over there. Helicopter going. Anthony is seeing it. All right, we noticed there is a heli over there. So he kind of lost interest for now. So let's go for a jump here. He didn't really jump much. Let's go in the other side. Seems that in that side the curb is a little bit stiffer and jumps better. All right, keep on going, Anthony, until you learn very well. The other way, go. Turn. Oh no. Do it again, do it again. All right, position it in a way that you can drive. Face the streets. There you go, go. Turn, turn. You gotta be quick, Anthony. All right, keep on going. You're learning very fast. I'm very proud. Go, keep on going. There you go, there you go. Nice, nice loops. Do once more. Continuing. Let's go. All right, hit it. Good. All right, so let me bring it in back for you. He's having fun, but while he's seems like randomly trying to turn, he's also learning. So that's really the point of it, right? You're kind of looks like he doesn't know what he's doing, but he's slowly learning how to drive. He's figuring it out that if I turn left, it goes left. Keep pressing. And it's really learning pretty well.
Whoa, this is cold.
Cow.
Okay.
And car. All right. Okay. Say bye, Anthony, to the car. And he's very friendly with the neighborhood, which is good. Because my neighbors are kind of thinking, why this guy is always talking to an RC? At least nowadays, I'm talking to an RC and my boy. Oh, this is just one of my kids. I have a 10 years old that also likes RCs, but not as much as Anthony. Anthony is really into cars. He loves these cars. Right, Anthony? Having fun? So let's check it out. Now this one without the body clips and see what we are dealing with here. So hold these clips, then take these clips out. By the way, this car comes with two bodies. One it's on top of the other one here. So you have this color scheme, which looks pretty cool. And you also have the black one. I just run both. Let me disconnect the battery here. Kainty. He knows that it's hot. Very hot, Anthony, very hot. It's very hot. He's saying Kainty because he's speaking in Portuguese. We are Brazilians, we speak Portuguese. But it is very hot, like I can't hold my finger here for over 2 seconds. So that's a common issue with these RCs. These brushed motors, they heat it up very fast. The servo is pretty strong and fast. There's very tiny ESC and receiver combo in the middle, like you can see. DIMMS connectors, and everything else here is plastic, very flexible. I'm not really having issues with this car so far. Nothing broke. Suspension, like you can see, no oil. Bounces a lot. It's very light. But you saw the running video, it doesn't really matter, it plays well. So I'm overall happy with this car. I'm not affiliated with Hosim. I don't need to say anything good about these cars. It's just my experience reviewing those. Very interesting models that they are releasing, and I want to share with all of you. The tires, even though it's just being a couple of times running it. It's wearing out pretty quick, so that's probably going to be gone. Not sure if there is foam inside. Hard to tell. Doesn't feel like there is a strong foam inside. And that's it. That's gonna do for it today. Can you give me one of the bodies, Anthony? Thank you. I'll put this here so we can end up this video with a nice looking truck. Well, can't find the holes in there, but there you have it. This is the Hosim X03. Decent RC, decent value. Thank you. Bye, Anthony. Bye-bye.